Public middle and high schools in West Virginia may be required to include suicide prevention resources on student ID cards next year. It's part of a bill passed last week by the House of Delegates. Schools that offer student IDs for grades 6 through 12 would have to print the number for the Suicide and Crisis Lifeline, 988 for calling and texting, on either side of each student's card. NAMI Greater Wheeling says that making these resources visual and accessible to young people is a step in the right direction for mental health.
When we provide our young people with mental health education and information around resources that are available to them, that they are more able to identify the warning signs. I think it's just easier for people to remember, right? Just like we, since we were young, grew up understanding and knowing that if you're in a situation where you need to contact the police, you want to call 911, and people don't even think about it. They know what that number is. And I really think the wave of the mental health crisis system in our country is to make it easily accessible to everybody so everybody knows how to access those resources. And what better way to do that than creating a 3-digit number, 988, that's easier for people to remember.
Public schools would have about a year to implement the policy if it's signed into law. Similar laws have been passed in states like New Hampshire, South Carolina, Illinois, and Arizona. West Virginia's bill now advances to the Senate.